going on, guys? Derek here, Sector 32 Motorsports, bringing you guys another awesome product from BoostLogic. You guys got to come check this stuff out. This is actually the twin turbo upgrade kit for the Lamborghini Audi platform, specifically in this case, the Lamborghini. BoostLogic offers up to 4 different power level upgrades when you do this kit. So the customization options are literally endless as well. Different color options and stuff when it comes to the actual manifolds themselves. These particular ones are in wrinkle black, as you can see. Awesome kit, one of the most complete systems that I've seen out of any of the twin turbo upgrades. So if you guys are looking to upgrade and get the most power you can out of your Lamborghini or Audi platform, always take a look at BoostLogic and see what they have for you guys. Thank you. This guy.
I just started TikTok.
Technically,
Not doing it. No.
technically, you said you're going to get us to 1,000 followers within 3 months, and we're not at 1,000 followers. So your evaluation relies on that.
I said that was my goal.
Well, your goal didn't happen, and our goal was to give you more money if that happened. So therefore, you didn't reach your goal. We're not going to reach our goal.
Mike has a point. All right, y'all. So, as y'all are aware, we have our partnership now with Sunoco. The guys over at Sunoco were kind enough to send us some advertising and merch. Mike informed me that my son over here is repping Sunoco pretty hardcore today. What's up with the earwear? What do you got going on?
It's because I'm about to put Sunoco race fuel in my Corolla, so when I go fast, I need to be able to cover my ears, man. Keep talking shit about my Corolla, man. You didn't want to race me in your Honda.
What does that even mean?
You gotta get a new one.
I told you, you can pick which one you want to race. You can race the one that's wrecked, which I'll still clap that ass. Or you can wait till I put the stock motor back in that one, and we can run.
You guys want to see a Honda get beat by a Corolla?
Ooh.
We can make a video.
Dude, honestly, bro, that video is going to be way too long to post on YouTube.
Yeah, because it's slow. We ain't going to see your ass get there.
I'm not the guy, but I'm going to tell you right now, stock B16 is not doing anything.
We got to make a video for the Honda boys.
This is the stuff I get to deal with right here, guys, on a day-to-day basis. This guy's still wearing ear protection. Is it because the Honda is going to be like flying past you? And
No,
it's like...
I put these earmuffs on from all the you guys be saying.
Sir, you
I don't
can't
want
touch
to hit
YouTube.
Yeah, my bad, YouTube.
Yeah,
This
you
is a
gotta,
family.
we're gonna have to bleep some stuff out.
This is a kids-friendly show, so
That's why we're not over there filming Joe, because he says a lot of bad words.
don't be like
Right,
Oh,
right, Joe?
talking
Mike, bad words.
Oh. Sorry, my bad.
Jesus. All right, guys.
Wow.
I mean, I wouldn't like them either if they were beating the crap out of me. Yeah. No. All right, guys. So the heat exchanger has been mounted. Mike's been over here grinding away and got everything set up. He's about to start running the hoses. So,
Mike.
as you could see here, Mike is installing the stuff and things. And then he'll start rounding the hoses backwards. Are you going to route them down low here, Mike? Looks like that'll be a nice passway down there.
I don't know.
Oh wow.
We'll find out when I get done.
Alrighty. Well, we're going to keep making noise, guys. So, make sure you get your Sunoco ear protection. Just like this guy. You like this design more than the other one?
Yes.
I feel like we can actually do better when it comes to routing these hoses instead of, well, in comparison. The other side, it seemed like it was a little bit tighter. Man, there's so much more room too with the.
Okie dokie. How do I want to do this? Is this the I was like, what? He's like, oh, no. Those aren't mine, those are yours.
You asked me for zip ties.
Oh my God. Yo, is that thing on?
Yeah.
Don't ever get a media guy, bro. Don't ever do it. This is what you get. We need to get a one.
Nah, once you become a media guy, you automatically have to learn how to do oil on the bearings. You gotta find boxes to get shit shipped out.
That was the hardest thing you ever had to do.
And he still didn't do it.
No. Watch your head. I don't want to hit your helicopter. Put it in the back, you dodo, because I gotta walk from side to side. God, and he's got 10% battery left. You might as well just charge that damn thing. Holy.
This is why I put these headphones on. Bro, I put these headphones on. Y'all be hurting my feelings.
You and your feelings.
Man, see what I mean? You don't know what
Alrighty guys, we got our BoostLogic twin turbo Huracan EVO on the dyno right now. We're gonna get ready to go and do some passes on it and get the tune finalized with right now.
the other side.
No, it's not.
That was
You had it that way.
I had that.
Other way.
I had
Oh my God. Alright, anywho, so stay tuned guys, we'll get you some good footage here soon. And put your predictions of the power numbers that you guys think this thing is gonna make.